my channel. I'm Sapna, wishing you all a very happy new year. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look. So I thought we've just entered into 2018. Why not start with a makeup tutorial which is full on glam. So as you guys can see, I have done an Arabic eye today. It is one of my favorites. I've used dramatic eyelashes and a lot of highlighter on my face, but I've kept my lips a little subtle, and I have used the tones of berries and purples and mauves today for this makeup look. If you guys are interested in watching this tutorial, then please stay tuned, and if you guys are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also leave your comments below as to how you like this makeup look. And now let's get right into the video. So guys, I'm starting off with priming my face using the Kijo Milano Skin Trainer CC Blur. Next up, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation Skin in Natural Buff 02. So this is quite similar to the Nykaa Skin Genius liquid foundations which they launched some time back. So this actually really adapts to your skin tone. It's quite nice foundation with buildable coverage. I'm just using my PAC beauty sponge and blending the foundation into my skin. I quite like this foundation. Next up, I'm taking my Tarte concealer in Fairy Light and using this amazing mermaid brush, I'm just going to apply it under my eye area, and then using the same beauty blender, I'm going to just blend the concealer into my skin. I've applied this concealer pretty much on all the high points of my face, including the center of my forehead, bridge of my nose, chin, under eye. You guys know the drill. Just make sure that you blend everything really well. This concealer is quite like a heavy concealer with full coverage. Next up, I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix Compact in NC25 and using the same damp beauty sponge, I'm going to set my foundation. This is my favorite technique of using damp beauty sponge to set foundations with compact. After this, I'm going ahead with my Glam Girls Compact in number CP12. It's actually a compact, but it's a dark shade. So I really love using it to contour my face using the Kijo Milano Kabuki brush, which is my favorite brush to contour. And then taking a small blending brush, I'm just applying the same shade alongside my nose to chisel it. After this, I have taken the PAC translucent powder, and today I'm going to bake my face and also chisel my contour a little more. As you guys can see, I am applying this translucent loose powder right under my contour line, and then I'm going to bake under my eyes and also around my mouth. Now moving on to eyes, I'm using my current favorite Hudabeauty Dusk palette. So taking this shade called Nefertiti, I'm applying it under my brow bone and also a little bit on the inner corners. We are going to highlight the inner corners more. Then taking this amazing shade called Blazing, which is a very beautiful transition shade, I'm going to apply it all over my crease using a blending brush. After that, I have taken another shade which is called Saffron from the same palette. I've used all the eyeshadows from the Hudabeauty Dusk palette. So taking Saffron with the same blending brush, I'm just going to intensify the crease and make sure that I blend the colors really well. And then taking a MAC, I think it's 219 clean blending brush, I am just going to blend it once again, just on the edges. After this, I've taken this shade called Oud, which is a matte dark brown from the same palette with a small blending brush which is from PAC. I'll mention the number down below in the description box. So I have applied this shade right under the saffron and blending all the shades together. So this is just going to give me a nice smoked out transition to the crease. Then taking the L'Oreal Infallible foundation and a stiff brush, I'm going to cut the crease. So just need a little bit of practice. It comes in easily, not that difficult. I'm going to create the shape that I desire. Now taking this beautiful champagne gold color called Cashmere and a flat shader brush, I'm going to apply it all over the lid. Now taking this beautiful purple shade called Amethyst from the Hudabeauty palette, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. I love smoked out lower lash line. Going back without, I'm just going to intensify the lower lash line, applying it over Amethyst. And I think I've just gone back with Cashmere. Now taking the Bodyshop eyeshadow quad, I have taken this deep matte black eyeshadow and I'm going to work it very closely to my lash line. so as to again give a nice smoked out effect to my lower lash line. And then going back with the same pack blending brush, I'm going to blend everything. Now this is the Faces Ultime Pro Kohl Pencil. I'm going to tight line my upper and lower waterline. Taking the Inglot Gel Eyeliner in 77, I'm going to apply my winged eyeliner. Then I use the pack M73 lashes. These are mink lashes, amazing for my lashes. And then going back with the Huda Beauty palette. This time I have used the color Angelic, which is a frosty pink or a rose gold kind of a color, and this is going to go in my inner corners. Now I am going to apply this new product, or try this new product from MYglamm. It's a 3-in-1 palette which has a contour shade, a highlighter shade and a blush. Intensified my contour using the bronzer, then applying this beautiful peachy blush from the same palette. Such a nice color. And oh, by the way, I forgot to apply my glitter, so I'm using the Urban Decay glitter in Midnight Cowboy and applying it on my lid. You guys can see how much glam glitters add to your eye makeup. Now taking the highlighter from MYglamm palette, I'm going to highlight my face. And after this, I'm going to use my Jeffree Star liquid lipstick kit. It has the most amazing nude liquid lipsticks, and I've applied this shade Androgyny, most hot selling liquid lipsticks from Jeffree Star. Amazing shade, isn't it guys? And then after this, I'm going to apply this gloss from Sephora and Kijo Milano Tropic Heat Primer and Makeup Fixer to set my makeup and give it a blow dry. So guys, this is it for today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. Do leave your comments and show this video a big thumbs up. And guys, don't forget to hit on that little bell icon and subscribe button. Bye. I love you all. Take care.